issue. Let me turn off the green screen. Okay. See this Miss Kayak? The eye of the typhoon is right there, the very dark pink. That is the eye of the typhoon. So, yes, that province right there is in category 4 or 5. And then my island is the very is the very central part. Is like 2 province away, and my island is very small, and we're having a category 3. And all of my brothers and sisters and my nephew and nieces, they already evacuate from their house going to my house. So